Well, hello everybody, it's July 1st. Just took possession of my new house and gonna maybe do some of these, hopefully once a week, kind of show you all the steps, maybe talk about my thought process as I go through all this stuff. And I don't know, that's about it. Alright, so here it is. Lovely little brick home in the Central District of Seattle. This was a bank-owned property apparently. Don't know much more than that. It's actually the first time we've bought something from the bank. But as you can see, it's in pretty rough shape. Really nice street though. And just kind of show you, at least on the outside here. I'm remembering I didn't bring my key, so anyway, a lot of bad stuff going on. Bricks falling apart. There's a plant growing in the house. There you go. That's gonna need some work. Anyhow, I think one of the things we really like is the big backyard. So we're looking forward to doing something exciting with this. I think there's a staircase back here. It's that way, and that's my new friend who will be saying hello to me every day, I'm sure. On an alley, and as you can see, big yard, 6,000 square foot yard. So that's kind of cool. And I don't know, they left a few things for us here. Not sure I'm going to do anything with that other than give it away. Not sure where that dirt came from, but it's there anyway. And as you can see, there's lots of stuff going on. That's kind of the look. Here we are, about to enter. Not sure what happened to that door. Anyway, kind of a typical 60s house, I think. A little bit of deco feel to it. This is the living room, dining room, some sort of major flood damage. Single pane windows that may or may not work. Kitchen. No appliances to speak of. A little bit of fire action going on. Not sure I'm going to keep that light fixture. But anyway. Get some pretty good light in here. Here's get an ironing board, which is kind of nice, huh? I'm not sure I'm going to keep that. But anyway, there's some good craft work. Then we come back in the hallway. Here's our lovely bathroom, pink sink, blue tile floor, original steel tub Not sure where they have that soffit there, but we'll find that out. Can't really tell what color those tiles are either. And one bedroom with some pretty nasty mold. That is kind of the definition of gross. I don't really know how long this house has been empty. But anyway, there's a beautiful backyard out there facing east. We only got one chime on the doorbell. And then here's the other small bedroom. A little bit of the same funk going on there. Anyway, and then that goes into the kitchen, and little sticker on the door going downstairs. And then I'm not sure I'm going to keep that, but it's kind of fun. Sometimes you get some interesting things like that. Anyway, here's the basement. Nothing down here right now, other than some pretty nasty smells. If you were here to enjoy them with me, you can see some daylight out of that crack there. That's the staircase we saw going next door. So got some gnarly stuff on the floor. Probably have to have some asbestos testing done for that. And then we've got a little fake mantle down here. I don't know. Looks like there was a gas line maybe, but it doesn't look like this was ever used. And we have some more art. So, not sure what I'm going to do with that. Some random junk. We have the under the doorway storage closet with a very clever switch over there. That's where the light switch is. Anyway, another window, kind of horribly duct taped together. Came in here when it was raining one day, and there is a couple of leaks. You can see that big giant crack over there. We'll have to do something with that. And then it was leaking over here also. I'm not sure whether it was coming in just from this window and running down or not. So, and then here you go. This is the evidence of the oil tank. Whenever you see something like that, that means there's an oil tank. Anyway, I've done lots of thinking about this place, and as you can see, it's 2 o'clock in the afternoon, and it's pretty light and bright in here. That's something we like, and anyhow, we'll share with you in another video what the ultimate plan is for what we're going to do. So, thanks, and we'll see you again.